Ever felt your Pandadoc templates could be a bit better? Let's transform your existing templates into powerful tools by mastering the edit. Start by navigating to your template library by clicking Templates in the main menu. Find the template you want to update and click its name to open it in the editor. You're now in the editor. The top toolbar is your command center for all modifications. To edit text, simply click on a text block, type your changes, or select text and hit the delete icon. Rearrange your template with ease by clicking and dragging elements. Resize them using the corner handles. The content blocks on the left let you add new elements like text, images, or essential Pandadoc fields. For a cohesive look, switch to the Design tab to adjust fonts and colors, aligning with your brand. Don't forget to save. Click Save or Save and Close to apply your edits. Keep your documents sharp and consistent, making your workflow efficient and professional.